in this video we'll talk about the magic number which will guarantee you the IM call. So the magic number we have to look at. I'll explain the magic number in three different way, in terms of your score versus percentile, in terms of a net correct, and in terms of the attempt. So three ways we'll try to attempt to explain that. So this chart, this detail you can find on cetking.com/catsp, cetking.com/catsp. The link is given here. In this link I've given the complete section wise cutoff and overall quant versus score versus percentile cutoff here. Yeah, so this is the main chart which we need to look at. Now your magic number is 90 percentile here. Yeah, if you can touch 42, 33, 36, this is your magic number. If you can touch these three numbers, you are definitely going to get the IM call. Yeah, because if you touch section wise 90, 90, your overall will touch 95 percentile. There are 4 scores. Yeah, verbal, DI logic, quant, and net overall score. Yeah, so this is not the total. Yeah, don't look at this is not the total. This is a section score required. So if you cross total 120, your percentile will touch 95% plus, which is a guaranteed IM call. If you are an engineer, non-engineer, everybody. So for the open category student, this is your magic number, guaranteed IM call at 95 percentile. Yeah, that's the number one way to look at net score. Yeah, which mean if I divide by 3 mark per question, so you need to do 14 question correct in verbal, 11 question correct in DI logic, 12 question correct in quant to get a guaranteed IM call, and overall should touch 40. Yeah, so that's your 4 magic numbers to look at. Correct question. यार अभी accuracy के ऊपर we can't control that ना, so that's I'm giving this number. Or other way around to look at this number is your attempt. Now this is your magic number, 23 attempts in verbal, 15 attempt in DI logic, that is 4 sets, and 16 attempt in quant. This will fetch you an overall attempt of 55 and 50 plus also can fetch you 95 percentile, provided your accuracy is good. It all depends upon your accuracy. Yeah, so sticking to the magic number, according to me, best way to look at is your mock score is to try to touch this number. Now where you are bad at, suppose one particular area I'm very bad at, suppose I'm weak in verbal, so here you can touch 36 also, no problem. 36, 33, 36, this also can ensure a IM call, but in that case you might have to overscore in the other area. Yeah, like this. Or I'm weak in quant, तो weak में quant में 30 ले आओ, 33, 48, any combination you can take it from here. So these 3 combination will guarantee you an IM call. या obviously तुम तीनों ये लेके आओगे तो call नहीं आएगा obviously. Yeah, any combination will work here. But my magic number I want to put my bet on is this number, 42, 33, 36, and overall should be 120. Yep, these are the 4 magic numbers you have to look at for a guaranteed IM call for the open category student. Yep, if you have more questions you can ask in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply to them. All the best. और ये नंबर अभी टच नहीं करना यार, ये नवंबर में टच करना है. या अभी अगर मेरा 20 आ रहा है, कितना आ रहा है, तो ये मत देखो यार, कहाँ पहुंचना है अब वो देखो. ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.